guys, how are you doing? My name's Daudi the Guitarist, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to play Taxi Driver by by Daudi Kabaka. Let's go. Hello guys, so the zoom is good enough. So first of all, we are going to learn the progression Taxi Driver. Okay, we are playing in the key of G sharp. Let me demonstrate. We are playing in the key of G sharp. This is how Taxi Driver sounds without beats. Let me show you that one up close and personal. You will learn that, or you'll understand that, ama uta notice that it's half the fretboard. Taxi driver is half the fretboard. So this is the progression. We are playing in the key of G sharp. Alright. This is the key of G sharp, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, and 4th fret. Take your first finger, place it on the 2nd fret, 1st string, 2nd string. Take your 2nd finger, place it on the 3rd fret, 3rd string. 3rd string. Take your 3rd finger, place it on the 4th fret, 4th string, and you have your key of G sharp, an F chord shape. Alright. Next progression, this is what I want you to do. Take your 3rd finger and then play a flat. So that's a B. That's a B flat. Alright. So your 3rd finger, play it like that. Go back to your progression. Go to the 6th fret and repeat the another flat there. That's a D sharp flat. That's a D sharp flat. 3rd finger, 6th fret. That's a D sharp flat. And then where your 3rd finger is on the 6th fret. Alright. I want to now take your 1st finger and place it on the 6th fret. Remove your 3rd finger. Take your 1st finger, place it on the 6th fret. Remove your 3rd finger, like that. The progression still continues. So take your 2nd finger, 7th fret, 2nd string. Take your 3rd finger, 8th fret, 4th string. So that is the starting point, Taxi Driver. Let us repeat now the progression all together. G sharp, B flat, G sharp, D sharp flat, and then G sharp. 5 chord progression, G sharp. So you've learned that one. Let us move to the next step. Thank you for learning the progression. Let us move to the next step. So in this next part, now you see that chord progression that I've shown you in the first video. We are going to convert that chord progression and shorten it into a melody. Alright, this is the first step. We are starting from here. I told you that this is the first point, Taxi Driver. It starts from here. Alright. So with this progression, chord progression, I want you to look at your 1st finger. Alright. Look at your 1st finger. Look at your 1st finger. There, I want you to take your 1st finger and play the 3rd string. Take your 2nd finger and play the 1st string. And then pick those 2 notes like that. These are the notes respectively. This is a D sharp note. This is a D sharp note. And the B sharp note. Okay, so pick them. Pick string 3 and string 1. I want you to move with the same progression and play the 4th fret. Repeat this progression in the 4th fret. Alright. Repeat it like that in the 4th fret. These are the notes. it sounding like that. This is the B note and the A sharp note. Alright, I want you now to play the G sharp note. Remember, we are shortening that chord progression into a melody. Alright, play the G sharp note. Now, the G sharp note. Alright, remove your third finger. I want you to play string 3 like that, the way it is like that, and play string 1. Alright, I want you to go to the first fret and play string 3 again and string 1. Alright, go to the G sharp, and then, where is it? Go to the G sharp, and then go back, and then, alright, we are left with one part. I want you to take your third finger, and then I want you to play a flat like this, but in this flat, play string 3 and 1. So, alright, and then play the key of B like that, the way you played the G sharp. Remove your third finger, you are left with your second finger and your first finger, and then play. So you have go forward, then again go, then again go, then again go, then again go. You are done with the progression. Go back, go back, go back. You are done with the progression. Alright, let us move to the next step now. Let us learn Taxi Driver.